Alright, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good day. It is currently windy right now and it's freezing cold right now, so I'm gonna do my best to not shake so much. But anyways, for today's video, I am actually going to be replacing the light from the dome light from the side mirrors. So I don't know if you guys can see it currently. It's currently just the normal amber light, so nothing special again with that. So I did buy some new replacements for that. It's from jdmtoy.com. These are LEDs, so these are supposed to be like white LEDs, so it's supposed to be a lot more brighter than those. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and pretend that I'm locking my doors and the amber light just pretty much just lights up. But I really can't wait how it's gonna look like with the white LEDs. I'm assuming it's gonna be a lot more brighter, where it's gonna have a bigger expand of light around here. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start with it and show you guys how to remove the whole bulb and replacing it with the new LED bulbs. So to start with this, you actually want to remove the mirror from the side mirrors. To remove this, you actually have to use some pressure with your fingers to just yank it out a little bit. There is actually clips holding this side mirror itself. So what I like to do is kind of fold the side mirror a little bit and then kind of push it out gently to the side. But once you have the mirror itself out, there's actually going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws, and you want to actually remove that in order to get to the actual light. The light is actually hidden right here, so the light is right there. It's just that you can't really get access to that unless you remove these screws, and then this whole side mirror part would just basically disassemble. And you got to be careful with it because it really will disassemble in order to just get that small piece out. So now that I have the 5 screws removed, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This whole side mirror should kind of disassemble. So again, just be gentle with it. Now that I have everything kind of on the side, this is pretty much the bulb housing that you want to get to. You want to again go turn to the left, pull out, and that's the bulb that you want to get to. So again, put this to the side and then hold it from the base and it should come out. So this LED bulb, it does have a lot of individual LEDs. So as you can see, there's I think 6 on top and then a couple more on the side. So this LED bulb should be a lot more brighter, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. So again, just place it back to where it was. I'm gonna go ahead and test it, so by locking it and unlocking it. So this should pretty much light up. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock it and then unlock it. That's really bright. So like I said, all those individual LEDs light up, so really can't wait how this is gonna look at the night, just with a lot more bigger expand of lighting right here. So it should look a lot more cooler. Just walk towards it, and yeah, that's really bright. So I'm really liking these LEDs. So if I unlock it, they should stay lit up, and then if I lock it, they should kind of dim out. So everything seems to be functioning really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much now just assemble everything back together. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it back to the housing. So with this, just to lock it, just twist it right, so everything should be good. So this again should be located right here. That's the only hole really where the dome light will kind of shine out. So you just want to make sure that this housing goes back to where it used to be. The side mirror pretty much assembled. I'll have to just pretty much put the screws back in. Just one recommendation is to kind of use a flat screw just to push down the LED housing or the bulb housing, just to push it down, because it does need to kind of intact with this small little clip right here. This clip actually kind of holds the housing of the dome light. So that's just my 2 cents for you guys. I got all the screws in, so pretty much now it's for me just to put back the actual mirror back to the side mirrors. Really, this is just clips again. Pretty much have everything assembled. With the mirror itself, you just have to be careful of it. It's just really just 4 clips holding it. So once you place it back where it belongs, just apply some pressure around the middle here, So one on the right, one top left, bottom left, and then right bottom, just so you intact those 4 clips. Now that that's done from the driver's side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side. Again, don't be afraid to like put some pressure just removing it, because there is a lot of like tension around these clips. These do actually hold it pretty well, so that's just for safety purpose, so for this to not fall out while I was driving. But anyways, now that I have this out, I'm gonna just go ahead and remove those 5 screws. So that's out the way, put it to the side gently, and then just have this like slide off from the mirror itself. Again, twist it to the left, and then that's the bulb. Put the housing somewhere and just pull the bulb out, unlock, and then lock. So it pretty much should dim out. Really hope you guys enjoyed the whole process of me replacing the bulbs with the new LED bulbs. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below. Hope you guys can actually like replace it yourself. Again, this is like more like a 15-minute job for side mirrors. I think the only tedious part is just like assembling it back together. You just have to be careful and be patient with it. I think it's really worth it, especially with like the whole bigger expand it has, or like around the floor once you get closer to it and unlock the doors. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the whole video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.